How to factory reset your Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can factory reset your Android phone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through quick through this video. In order to factory reset your Android phone or Android device, simply go ahead and open up settings first. So head into settings. Once you open up settings, scroll down and you should find the option here that says software update. You can see software update if you want to update, but head into about phone, and under about phone you can see the reset option. Tap on the reset. Now the shortcut is to simply head into settings and you can search in for reset here. Type in reset and the reset option should pop up and you can see reset. Scroll down and you can see the option to reset all settings, reset mobile settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, reset accessibility settings. But since you want to reset your phone, tap on factory data reset and it'll give you the confirmation. Tap on reset and it'll start resetting once you enter in your password. So this is how you can easily reset your Android phone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.